Gotta say, I am fantastic, la la la, I am fantastic.
Well, everybody, there's nothing like a leisurely dinghy ride in the marina and taking a look at the nice vessels. Double Down, it's been here for a couple months now. She's gorgeous. And she's so big that I could literally, well, you're with me, drive underneath her hull. That's a big yacht. That's a big boat. Take $5 million, Double Down, you might be able to rent her. Is that the good life? That's the good life, all right. Anyway, I just decided to throw out a nice little video on the marina. It's a beautiful place to spend an afternoon or live like I've been doing for the last 12 years. It's fantastic! Well, that's a massive catamaran. Man, that's large. There's the Godfather. Been around a long time. This is what's known as A Basin. I reckon it to the Beverly Hills in the marina because some of the biggest boats are, and the biggest yachts are here. Here's Surf Rider, Anticipation, and I think Light Star's here. We're going to take a look at Light Star in a minute. That's my buddy's boat. He never uses it. Most people don't use their boats. It's amazing. This trimaran here literally lifts itself out of the water when it's on full sail, so it's literally faster than the wind. It's quite a vessel. See those little wings? They go into the water and she flies. One fast yacht. Oh, and we're coming up to my old yacht, Merci, which I owned for 12 years. And now it's better to have friends with boats than own them. It's a lot of money. But I had this for 12 years. And she was a lot of fun. She has one of the biggest decks in the marina. There she is. Had a lot of fun on that boat. As we make the turn. Lots of beautiful boats. Phone home. This guy literally uses this boat maybe once a week every couple of years. Lives in Thailand, and it's immaculate inside. It's like, it's unbelievable. It's really incredible. Architectural Digest, that's what I was looking to say. Now there's Light Star. Light Star is a 140-foot yacht. It's for rent. It's for sale. Howard Light owns it, and he invented the earplug that goes in your ear, those little soft, squishy ones. So you made a few bucks on that. So they're Light Star, Howard Light. I've always loved that boat there. He's doing a little work on it. It's gorgeous. Whoa. A lot of nice boats. Anyway, just thought I'd give you a little peek at the marina. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a fantastic day. Hey there! I am doing fantastic. This is the yacht that we're going to be taking veterans out on. It is a gorgeous yacht. Been fully restored. So veterans, get your sea caps on. Get ready to go on a fun voyage for free because we want to thank you for serving our country. That is a beautiful sport fisher. Lots of money goes into a boat like that. Very nice. This is what's known as an expedition style boat. It's undaunted by dauntless yachts. They're great sport fishers as well, and doing some work on it. You're always working on a boat. By the way, the acronym for boat is break out another 1,000, because no matter what happens on your boat, you're spending $1,000. I've been here 12 years, and this boat has moved once in those 12 years. That's what you call non-use. Marina del Rey hotel in the background there, totally remodeled a year ago. ¿Qué pasó? That's a buddy of mine's boat, Jeff, and he represents dead musicians. There's a good amount of money to be made in that business. Gorgeous boat. Daydreamer, he is in the produce business. Producer, not sure him, but the spot here, right there, that was a spot I had for 4 years. Great location, a lot of fun with it. Used to charter that boat right there. This guy has every known gadget unknown to sailors. He's doing a documentary. He went around the world. There's a Pershing, gorgeous boat. Great dock, lots of nice yachts. This is the Esprit Marina. I used to drive this boat for the owner. A lot of fun, very fast boat. An azimuth. Someone took this boat out, the sailboat out, basically stole it and returned it. And of course here is Pirate, my home away from home, the yacht I captain now. It's gorgeous Chris Craft. It is a beautiful yacht. And Slingshot, Eric and Azimuth. Eric and Evers's boat. So that's the tour for the day for the marina. There's Chase Park back there. And again, another view of Slingshot, his new yacht, Eric and Evers's boat. And of course, Pirate, my home away from home. It's always better to have friends with boats or drive their boats than to own one. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Trent, how are you? I love your suicide knob.
It's the greatest thing. You got to put one on.
You know they're illegal on cars. That's a little ride I was going on today.
Gotta say, I am fantastic. La la la. I am fantastic.
Overpopulated cities around the world have caused people to become a greedy, selfish, and litigious society. Would you like to be happier, live longer, never be forgotten, and help make the world a kinder, more civil place? It's actually easier than you think. Every day you're asked, how are you? Instead of saying good, say I am fantastic. It will make you look better, feel great, and reduce your stress. Making the world a better place starts with each person. Please join the Be Fantastic movement today. What you want to be, you can be. Be fantastic.
I met Dr. Fantastic along life's way, and I heard him say, you gotta say,